You need a website. Why not do it yourself? With Wix, you can create your own professional website. Choose from hundreds of templates. No matter what business you're in, you can get your site live today. Just drag and drop to create your site exactly the way you want. It's easy. Change your text. Choose one of our backgrounds or upload your own. And easily add one of our beautiful galleries. You can even set up an online store in seconds. With just a few clicks, you can connect your site to your favorite social media channels and add popular web apps and services like Google Maps, contact forms, and so much more. Just like that, you've got your own stunning website that is fully optimized for every device. Create your stunning website today. It's easy and free.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Brandon with BiggerPockets.com, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to build your very own website for your business in under an hour without any technical skills at all. Stay tuned. So the other day I was on the BiggerPockets forums and there was a conversation going on about designing a website, and someone mentioned they were quoted $500 to have a simple 5-page website built for their real estate investment business. And I was like, dude, that's a lot of money. It's really not that tough. So I wanted to show you exactly how I made my real estate investment lead generating website using a site called Wix. Basically, Wix is a drag and drop website editor that actually looks really good. And it's super easy to do, so hang on and I'll walk you through the whole process. But first, just a quick disclaimer. BiggerPockets has an affiliate relationship set up with Wix. So if you make your website after clicking one of the Wix links, or if you go to www.biggerpockets.com/Wix, you are actually helping to support BiggerPockets, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. And honestly, I would still 100% recommend Wix even if you don't go through our link. But thank you if you do. So thank you in advance for going to Wix through one of our links. All right, let's get the show on the road.
All right, well, let's get going here. So this is going to be the page you're going to start with here. And obviously we're going to start on Start Now. You're going to end up with a bunch of different templates here that you can choose from in a lot of different categories. And you know, it really doesn't matter which one you use because, I mean, you just got to find one that you like that stands out to you. Obviously some are better or worse for whatever industry you're in. I probably wouldn't do this one because that one looks kind of like a photography one. So I'm actually going to scroll down here to real estate and property, and I'm going to look through these. You know, they look pretty good, and I kind of like that one. But I'm going to go to the next page, the one I'm actually looking for. I've played this before. Here it is, the Handyman. I really like this one, but you don't have to choose it, but I'm going to. I'm going to click the edit button. It's going to open up the editor here. Once it opens up, you'll notice that most of this is just drag and drop. I mean, I can move things around however I want to. I can click this guy here and move him around. I can move him over here. It looks like he's staring at me kind of creepily, so I'm going to hide him behind the red. I can do some fun stuff like edit the words around here. I don't want to be called the Handyman, but I really like this design, so I'm going to change this. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to change Handyman to Home. Let's keep it all capitals. That looks good. And Buyers. Now I want to spread that out a little bit. Looks like that. Add that this way. Alright, there. Now we got some home buyers, but we don't want to be called the home buyer, so let's change this to my county is Grays. Ooh, that messed things up a little bit. So Grays Harbor. Obviously, it's trying to keep things in line, so I'm going to shrink this down here. We got 60 point right now. I'm going to go down to, let's try 16. Much better. Puts everything back into perspective. I can move this around a little bit. Grays Harbo. I probably want to say Grays Harbor. And maybe I want to go a little bigger with that. What do you think? Maybe go to headings. Yeah, that's a better one right there. So let me expand this a little bit. And there we go. Now we got Grays Harbor Home Buyers. I like that. This down here is kind of awkwardly down low, so I'm going to raise this up. And I'm going to change the words on that obviously as well. But I can work on that later. I don't want to bore you all day here. Come on. There we go. Alright, so I can change that words around. Now remember earlier I said, let's see, we don't want this guy there. I'm not a contractor, so I'm going to change that image. I'm just going to click on it one time. I'm going to hit change image. And I'm going to hit upload image. And actually I already uploaded my image, that's why it's already there. There was a funny one of Josh. And here is a screenshot that I did earlier. I'm going to go ahead and choose that, so I click on it. If I didn't have it, like I said, just click the upload button there. And it would show up. I'm going to hit OK, and there it is. There's me and my wife. So we'll slide this over here because I like it better there. I'm also going to slide the red box over here because I like it better. Doesn't that look nice? Now be careful when you're moving things like this around, because you can actually move the text around inside, or you can move the entire red box with the text itself. So just kind of be careful where you're moving that. I probably don't want to say price estimation, so let's change that to call us to see how we can help. That's a nice phrase. We're only a phone call away. I'll put my phone number in there, but I'm not going to put it now because I don't want no creepy people calling me. Not that you're creepy, but you know. Let's see. Let's move on. Over here, we got pages, we got design, we got ad, we got settings, we got app market. Real quickly, pages, if I click there, I can actually go between all the different pages of my website. There's not just one, there's 5 pages here. I can also add pages by clicking add page, but I'm not going to do that. Now I don't have services. I don't want to call services. So I'm going to click page settings, and I'm going to change the page name to frequently asked questions because I like that better. Page address, that's like the URL. I don't want it to be /services. I want it to be /FAQs. Now if I wanted to make a page title, which I might for SEO reasons, so search engines can find it, I'm going to go frequently asked questions, Grays Harbor. That's my county. Page description, I don't know, I'll worry about that later. But if I want to write like frequently asked questions, Grays Harbor, we buy houses, whatever. Keywords, I could also do that. This is just so Google can help find you. Now, if you notice back on the page here, I now have home. Now I have frequently asked questions, testimonials, about, and contact. I probably want to get rid of the testimonials too because I've never collected testimonials, so I'm going to change that to, let's see, how it works. Page address, how. How it works, Grays Harbor. Good enough for me. Now I can go to my about page. I'm going to want to change that picture later because obviously that doesn't really fit with me. So I just hit again, change image. Let's use that same one again. Oh, look at that, nice picture. Now, so we have our about page, you know, looking better. Obviously I want to edit all this information here. I can do that just by clicking on it, double clicking, and now I can change things. No longer on a paragraph. Hello, welcome. And I will fill that out. So let's navigate to the end a little bit. We go up to pages, navigate back to the home page. Let me show you what I got here. So the home page, looking pretty good on top. Automatic saving, that's very wise. So we're gonna save it right now. Grays Harbor home buyers. That's, oh, too long. Home buyer for now. Alright, so I saved it. That's very important, save often. Here's what the actual page looks like right now. It's gonna load real quick. Alright, so we scroll down. This is what the page looks like. We got a little welcome area with text. I can write as much there as I want to. I probably want to write a little bit more than what they have there. I can also drag it so it's a little bit bigger. Let's make this section much wider, much longer, because, you know, we want a long section there. So, oh wait, that didn't work. Let's try that again. Alright, there we go. And we can write some information in there. I probably don't want it that wide, and I'll show you why in a minute. So I'm going to shrink up this page a little bit. There we go. And now I'm going to enter my stuff. Welcome to Grays Harbor Home Buyers.com. Blah, blah, blah. Now here's where I write all my kind of welcome paragraph. I can change the font just by going here. I want to call this body medium, let's say. Maybe I want to do body large. Alright, maybe we want this to be kind of a heading, so we're going to go heading large. There we go. Now I'm going to write underneath here. So, I did it again. Welcome to this site. I want to buy your house. Alright, good enough. Obviously, we want to change that later, but for now, we're going to keep it just like that. Now, if you scroll down here a little bit further, right now it says bathrooms, carpentry, doors, electrical, flooring, kitchens, painting, and windows. I don't care about that. However, what would be cool here is to maybe change bathrooms to something else, like, let's not make this. How about, divorce? Stop doing that. Divorce. That looks pretty good, but let's capitalize it. So I might change that to divorce. I might change carpentry to, what are some other things that people are going to sell for? Underwater? Ooh, it doesn't quite fit, so let's go make it a little wider first. And I'm going to write underwater. There we go. And I don't want that little picture of the hammer. I don't want the little picture of that, so I'm going to delete these. You get the idea. Underneath here, I can write something like, are you going through divorce? We can help. Blah, blah, blah. Underwater. Are you underwater? We can help. You get the idea. So just throw some words in there. I'm going to center these so they look a little better. And there we go. So that's the front page. Testimonials, if I have some, I can put some there. I might want to delete them. Down here, I'm going to change this from copyright 2023. I probably want to say 2013 by Grays Harbor Home Buyers, but we'll work on that later. No need to bore you with that. I don't have a Facebook or a Twitter right now. I'm going to get rid of that altogether. Alright, so that's the general way that you edit the page around. Let me show you a few more cool things that you can actually do here. These icons up here again, we went through pages earlier, but let's go to design. You can change the background stuff that's going on here. Right now, oh, there we go. Oh, we don't want black. Purple, gray. You can kind of change it however you want to. I like what it was, so I'm going to discard the changes. Design, you can also change, different colors. I'm a bumblebee, it changes the entire theme. I see red, changes the whole theme. Now these are kind of ugly, right? Discard changes. I like what they gave me. Let's see, font, you can change the different fonts, but I really like what they provide on this, so I'm not going to mess with it. Add, here you can add different things. If you want to add a text box somewhere, you can add text somewhere. Let's try that real quick. So there we go. This is some words. And I'm going to drag this. How about here? There, now I got this as some words. What else can we add? We can add images, we can add a gallery, we can add media like music, shapes, buttons, online store, social, apps, a lot of stuff. So, and actually, let me show you how you add a contact form, because that's kind of cool. Go to add, so let's go back. You go to add, then you scroll down to apps, go to contact form, and here we go, we have a contact form. Now obviously this is kind of an ugly looking contact form. So let's move this down here, maybe shrink it up a little bit. And you know what, I really think it's just kind of ugly looking. I don't want it black. So I'm going to click on it once, and I'm going to go to change style. Alright, we got a few styles here. Style 1, style 2. Oh, personalize this form. Here we go. Background. The red send button, that looks okay to me. Background, we don't really want that color background. I want white background. Yeah, that looks way better. The text, I think I'll make it kind of a gray color for the text. Except for maybe we want that one to stay white. That was a send button. But name, email, subject, that looks okay. We hit OK. We hit OK. And there we go. Now I'm going to click it again. It says show on all pages. I want it to show on every page of this thing, because I want people to contact me. And, you know, we change this heading maybe to contact us today. Underneath it, I can now write some stuff. If you are, let's shrink that text down to body large. Oops, body large. If you are interested in selling your unwanted real estate, please fill out the form below. Now, I probably want to do some more in there, but for now, you know, you get the idea. There we go. Now watch this. If I click here and I click, let's double click on it, email to, I'm going to send it to brandon@biggerpockets.com because, well, I want it to come to me. So now anybody on this website who does a contact there, they write their name, their email, their subject, and they write their message to me. It goes right to me in my email box, which is pretty cool. So, alright, that is pretty much everything you need to know to set up a Wix website for yourself. I'm sure you can do this quickly and easily. If you have any problems with it, there's a ton of tutorials online. You can learn how to do stuff with Wix, but it's really, really simple. The last thing I want to show you is how to publish your actual site. So you pretty much save it first, and let's see, it's not published yet, so now I want to publish online. Allow search engines to find my site? Sure, why not? Site title. Montesano, Oakland, in Central Park. We buy houses. Alright, we saved it. Publish online. You're about to publish your site. Oh, I already did that, so. Anyway, congratulations, your site is now published, and it'll be live at bra154, that's a terrible name, .wix.com/Grays Harbor Homebuyer. I don't want that name. So I highly, 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 highly recommend that you upgrade your account. It's really not very expensive to have it, but being able to tell somebody you have www.Grays Harbor Homebuyers is much better than saying I have www.bra154937, whatever it was. So I recommend either go on the unlimited or the combo plan. They're pretty similar. You get a few more special perks with the unlimited versus a combo, and mainly if you plan on having a lot of people come to your site, if you're in a big area, major city, you get a lot more, I guess you get unlimited traffic coming to your site. Otherwise you only get 1 gigabyte of bandwidth, so you don't want to run that risk. But either way, the reason I suggest doing the yearly plan up here and not the monthly plan is because of one very, very, very important reason. That is the ad vouchers. When you buy the combo or unlimited and the yearly plan, you get Facebook and Google ads. So you get 75 in Google ads and 50 in Facebook, and those are very, very, very helpful. So essentially you're paying, $100 a year for this combo, but you get 125 in advertising right away. So, I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer. Do this. You also get a free domain name with it, which means you get the www.Grays Harbor Homebuyers or whatever you want to use. And yeah, it's awesome. So definitely upgrade to that. Connect your, it takes like 2 minutes, so do it. It's cool. And that's pretty much it. So when you're all done, you will have a site at www.whatever name you want, if it's available. And for what works out to just $8.25 a month, you can have a killer website that's going to be bringing leads to you all the time. So,
alright everyone, I'm super glad you're still with me and I didn't completely bore you to death. And I wanted to say a sincere thank you if you decided to use one of our affiliate links to buy your Wix account. You definitely help keep the lights on around here. But honestly, I would still 100% recommend Wix even if you don't click through our link. It really is the easiest and fastest platform I've ever seen for creating a website if you don't have a lot of technical skills. Alright, that's it for today. Make sure you check out all our other YouTube videos like these ones right here, and we'll see you over on biggerpockets.com, your home for real estate investing online.
Easily add and customize a Vimeo or YouTube video to your site. Get started by clicking Add, Media, Video. Place a default video anywhere on your page. If you would like to change the video sizing, be sure to use the corner frame toggles and pull in the direction of the arrow to maintain the existing aspect ratio. Now, click on the video, followed by Settings. Under Video URL, place a link from YouTube or Vimeo, and click Update. If you've added a YouTube video, you'll be able to select whether to show, hide, or auto-hide the control bar. Auto-hide means that the controls will display only after the user clicks on the video to play it. You can customize your video player with any one of these options. Clicking Change Style will enable you to personalize your video using the Advanced Style tab. When you're done customizing the style, click OK. To upload a video with a different video player, try adding our HTML app, or explore our video apps in the app market. You can learn more about this or any of our other features by visiting our Learning Center at Wix.com.